Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make meatloaf. Yes, so guys, I'm gonna start off with my ground beef. This is over 4 pounds. My sweet peppers, I'm using half, and I'm using red, green and yellow. Okay, you can use whichever one you have. Half of onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme. I also have 2 teaspoons of my garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, over 1 teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning, cajun seasoning, and smoked paprika. Okay, complete seasoning, and this is 2 tablespoons. And guys, you don't have to use ground beef, you can also use ground chicken, you know, whatever you preferred. Yeah, don't forget guys to give me a thumbs up, share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And I'm also gonna add some bread. Here I have my food processor, and I'm just gonna add my onions, my bell peppers, my garlic, and my fresh thymes. Okay, if you want, you can always, you know, finely chop it up. I'm gonna also add my bread, and the bread guys is just gonna allow your meatloaf to be so nice and so flavorful and juicy. But instead of adding the bread by itself, I'm gonna add it with my fresh vegetable. Okay, I'm gonna add some hot milk, at least half cup, quarter cup of my chicken stock. You can also use beef stock. And guys, this is just gonna add a lot of flavor to your meatloaf. I'm telling you, it's gonna be so delicious. And my chicken stock is really hot. Okay guys, as I said, the milk and the chicken stock is really hot. So look at the bread. The bread is very soft. See that? Yeah, perfect. I'm just gonna add it like so. So I'll just put my lid on my food processor. It's all closed now. It is all finished, and you see that? That's exactly what you want. You want it to finely chop. I'm telling you, this right here is full of so much flavor. Your meatloaf is gonna be nice and so juicy. Trust me, I'm loving the color. Perfect. Now guys, I'm gonna add my egg. Then I'm just gonna add my seasoning. Just try and blend it in a bit. Just like so. One teaspoon of my salt. That's it. And now I'm gonna add my mixture. Look at that guy, nice clean, and you just want to mix it all in. And guys, if you want, you can always use a gloves. Okay, I have some more of my mixture. And guys, I'm gonna add at least 2 teaspoons of my teriyaki sauce. Yeah, that's it. And then just over 1 tablespoon of my barbecue sauce. You can use whichever barbecue sauce you have. You can see the sweet pepper coming right through. It looks nice and pretty. This is finished, guys. Good to go. So guys, this is my baking tray right here, and I just grease it with some olive oil so it doesn't stick. And now I'm gonna add my meatloaf. It look like a ball. So I'm just gonna take my hand and just form it in a loaf. And you can do it in whatever size you prefer. So guys, this is perfect. So in the oven it goes for just over 1 hour. Okay, yes. So now guys, I'm gonna make a glaze for my meatloaf. So in my bowl right here, I've got over 1 cup of ketchup, half cup of barbecue sauce. You can use whichever barbecue sauce you have. Half cup of my brown sugar right here. It look white, but it is brown, light brown sugar. Just over 1/4 cup of my orange juice, and 1 tablespoon of my teriyaki sauce. I'm just gonna add my barbecue sauce to my ketchup like so. Then I'm gonna add my orange juice just like so, my teriyaki sauce, and my sugar. Okay, then I'm just gonna mix it all in. It is too runny, guys. You can also add some more ketchup or your barbecue sauce to thicken it up. Okay, and I'm also gonna add around 1 tablespoon of my honey. So guys, this is perfect. So I'm just gonna leave it to the side. Okay, yes. And as I said, if it's too runny, you can also add some more of your ketchup to thicken it up. Yeah. So guys, I just removed my meatloaf from the oven, and this is what it look like. It looking super yummy. As you can see, there's a lot of liquid at the bottom. I'm just gonna pour it on like so. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna remove all the liquid, okay? Because you don't need all this liquid, because I'm gonna add my glaze. So it's been in the oven, guys, for just over 1 hour. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I removed most of the water from my meatloaf. So now I'm gonna add my glaze, and I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, but I'm gonna put it on a broil, but make sure, guys, you give an eye on it. Okay, it looks so delicious. I removed my meatloaf from the other baking pan and I added to this glass container, as you can see. Yeah. So as I said, I'm gonna put it on a broil for at least 5 to 10 minutes, okay? But make sure you give an eye on it, because you don't want it to, you know, to burn. It looks so yummy, guys. Super delicious. Guys, I just removed my meatloaf from my oven and I'm telling you, it's looking super delicious. It is nice and glazed, and that's exactly what you want. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some parsley on top, which is totally optional, but it's just gonna make it look, you know, pop in. Yeah, just like so. So guys, just before I cut into my meatloaf, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna allow it to cool, okay, for at least 10 minutes. Yes. I just add my meatloaf onto my plate right here. It's a bit cool. And I just add some rosemary right here just for presentation. I'm telling you guys, I cannot wait for you all to try it. It looks super delicious. It came out perfect. Look at that. So yummy. This is a big meatloaf. It is so heavy. So now guys, I'm just gonna cut into my meatloaf. I cannot wait to cut it, guys. I'm so hungry. Look at that. It looks so good, guys. Guys, I hope you do give this recipe a try. I'm telling you, it is so tasty. If you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.